Hey, I'm Susan Berkley. This is the Inside Voiceover video training blog. I'm going to answer a question today a lot of people have, which is how long does it take to make money in voiceover? That's actually the wrong question to ask because nobody can predict that. Because this is a freelance thing. It is not a salary position like in a job where money is guaranteed every week. So the question you should be asking is, what are the activities that I need to do every day to ensure that I will make money in voiceover? So those activities need to have to do with having a group of leads and prospects. These are people that are qualified, that are known to hire voice talent, and then having a set of activities that you do to reach those people and stay in touch with them, mailing them, calling them, meeting them, and being persistent and not taking no for an answer. Now, I'm not saying you bug people, but you have to keep at this. Sending a few demos here and there is not going to cut it. So I suggest some courses like the ones we offer here, like our Mic to Money course, which is a step-by-step sales course, sales and marketing course for voice talent, and also educating yourself like I did when I started out about sales and marketing. It's fun. And at the end of the day, the payoff is huge because once you get that customer and they keep coming back for more, they have what's called lifetime value. And that, my friend, is where the real money is made in voiceover. I'll be back next week with more.